जुगाड़ कुछ करेंगे. The bikes are all safe, but the scooter is always parked outside, and cats, dogs, puppies cause this.
What's poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to Two Brother Vlogs.
Where are we heading to?
Kharcha, I have become mad. Come sit. I'll show you where we are going. So in the recent past, we've been having a lot of issues with GoPros. They don't record. Memory cards get corrupted because of that. They automatically stop functioning. So we're planning to move away from GoPros, and this time we are going to plan to buy something new. So we are at I am a student. The website actually is on the link. We are at the warehouse. It's easier to come to the warehouse and pick it up. Let's go see what all products we are actually going to purchase right now.
అంత పెద్దగా ఉందారా?
Kada, we'll go home and then we'll reveal this, no? We'll blur that part of the picture which you've taken, because there are a few things which I want to talk even about the packaging. It is very shocking. Okay, how much did you buy the Bergman for?
90,000. Close to 90,000.
You'll get 2 Bergmans for the cost of this phone, right? We live in such a world today. Irony, right? It's like ironic, very... You get a bloody huge scooter and one more of the same kind for the price of one phone. Okay, how many of you guys know that I use an HTC Alpha 70 for the last many years now, and actually it is slowly time for me to change this helmet. It's a great helmet.
It looks new still.
Yeah, it still looks new. All I had to do, the changes were I changed the visor one time, and now it's come to an age where, let's say I fall in a speed breaker, it automatically closes. So this ratchet system here is actually worn out. To be honest, I could change the ratchet and still continue with this helmet, but I've been donning this helmet for about 6 years now. I want to change the helmet. I want to really change into something different. I want to vlog in another helmet. I've been using this. I love this helmet. If somebody is actually in the market looking for a good helmet, HJC Alpha 70, for the price, it is amazing. Sana, do you realize one thing? We're spending so much on YouTube for making these videos. YouTube doesn't give us money here. Any which ways, all that is aside, we purchased this from iamastudent.com. We can compare Amazon and these guys. It's not a sponsored video, mind you. We've purchased this from our salaries. And yes, the reason why we purchased from them, because we got a better deal than Amazon. And we could go and pick it up immediately. So come, let's see what all we purchased today. Drum rolls. We are shifting even from Senna to Cardo. Why are we shifting from Senna to Cardo? 2 major reasons. Our Sennas are 30Ks. They are old. They are very old systems. Option for us was to either go for the Senna 50 or go for the Cardo system. Major reason. Senna is not waterproof. Senna is water resistant. And Cardo is waterproof. So, as far as reviews goes, all over the world, Cardos used to sound better or are better software than Senna's. In India, the availability was not as much, especially when it comes to this service. Now that Cardo is here, we wanted to switch over and experience it. How do we find Cardo to be? We still haven't used it. Let's actually unbox this and see how do they look before we go ahead and see what else did we purchase. This is absolutely for our motorcycle. That's it. Okay, for what it is it's got a 2nd generation mesh, air mount, natural voice operation. People say you don't have to speak in the weird other accents. It understands our Indian accent. It's waterproof, it's universal Bluetooth, and over-the-air software updates. Software updates on our Senna, our old Senna, were difficult because we had to connect them to the computer and then upgrade them. But let's go. Let's see what is in the box now. Those are our twin pack. Obviously, we always purchase twin packs because me and Srujan, 2 riders. So this is the module. To be honest,
Compare it to the Senna.
yeah, let's see. Weight-wise, I wouldn't consider them to be very different in weight. Maybe slightly lesser, but definitely the size is much smaller. How comfortable? Because we are used to these Sennas now. How do they function? We know. We don't need to touch them. This is going to be something new for us. Touching, operating, talking to them. How do we feel over time? We can tell you, but definitely much smaller. Definitely much smaller than the Sennas. So we have a lot of paperwork. It says us to download the apps. How do you talk? Installation guides and everything. Basic paperwork. And
Kit 1 and Kit 2.
Yes. Type-C charging, which is very important here because these are not Type-C chargers. The newer Sennas are. What we have is not. Mounting plate. And this is what actually is the magic according to people. It has got very good speakers by JBL. The mic. And all the other. This is very similar stuff to what is there.
Box, other stuff.
The next one again is actually 2 boxes. As I told you, we are fed up, genuinely pissed off with GoPros. So we have moved away from GoPros and we have got ourselves these. Why DJI, you ask? We have been using, or what you're hearing, the audio is actually from a DJI mic, and it is the best single purchase for our YouTubing in our vlogging history. Other than this, the other DJI product we have are our DJI drone, which is a FPV drone, and it blows our mind at how amazing that drone is. And we have an Osmo, a gimbal which can be, our phone can be mounted and used. And we had never faced any issue with any of these products. We have been using GoPros for a long time. We had purchased it Insta360, which was the absolute biggest mistake of our lives. And hoping that finally our problems will be solved with this. Let's go ahead and see what difference are there in these. This is something called as an adventure combo. This is a standard combo. The camera is also the same. Let's see what is inside and speak more on those lines. So now we have the action cameras of all 3 major companies. We have the GoPro Hero, we have the Insta360, and we have the Osmo 4.
Mind you, all of them are not the latest. This is 10, this is R, and this is the latest one.
Yes. So on this, we've absolutely fed up because it keeps crashing. Every other recording is destroyed because this crashes, and our memory cards are getting corrupted because of that. This is a modular design, works well, records well, has good quality, but the problem is the audio. Audio, you're unable to record through an external device on this in a very efficient manner. That has been a big problem with this. This apparently solves a lot of issues. I hope it comes out good because we will definitely try out right now in action cam itself. It is actually a little smaller than the other company brands, and the boxing, I find them really nice because they're compact. What you get in the box is you get the camera and you get the small box along with your silica gel. This box can take a hike. So included in the box, this is where it is quite different. Like in GoPros, you need to buy a cage separately. Here they give you the cage. So this is the cage for the action cam. They give you one sticky pad, obviously your particular lens cover. And one good thing about this particular lens, and obviously you get your charging cable. You can, in case of damage, you can just remove the lens protection and replace this. Your lens is safe.
That's neat.
That's very good. That's very handy because again, generally action cameras, especially for us motor vloggers, is let's say a stone chip or something hits, this can be damaged and this can be replaced much easier. And one more good thing about this is it goes on all your GoPro mounts. If somebody is into GoPro, let's go open the larger box now. Okay, now the larger box. It's got also one camera, but it's got much bigger packing and it's got a selfie stick.
It's big.
Well over a meter.
Well over a meter.
And it folds into this small nifty size to be carried around wherever you need to.
Does it have a tripod?
Yes, it does have a tripod. Awesome. Which one we need? And most important part of this package is this.
3 batteries
So
inside.
yeah, 3 batteries inside. It can be charged by USB-C, and this can slip into your tank bag or any bag for that matter. You can have 3 batteries which are charging at once. Like, because of this, we purchased the other kit, most importantly. And what else we have are extra paperwork. But yes, when you are actually on the move, you can put both the Osmo Action 4s on your helmet's ride. And we still have 2 other batteries which can be charged. So from DJI, this is the case for that. You open it, there is provision for both your mic receivers and the transmitters and the receiver. And you have other adapters for various typical phone chargers, like your Type-C. What is that? and also for your hot shoe mounting. So you have options and everything fits into this box.
And if you, the minute you place it in, everything starts
Starts
charging.
charging automatically.
And it's been what, almost 8 months we purchased this. I charged this box
3 or 4 times?
4 times.
Yeah. And again, even this is USB Type-C charging. Similarly, this is so neat. Like DJI has made things simple and mind blown. Again, this is what you get in the separate combos. This is the standard combo. This is the adventure combo. If you are a solo single person, adventure combo for you. But if you need multiple cameras, buy one adventure combo once. Coming up. So for quite some time, we've been actually shooting videos on Srijan's phone, which is an iPhone 14 Pro. And we found the quality good enough, so we didn't need the necessity. YouTube already compresses your videos quite a lot. We didn't need the necessity of a big, huge camera, which actually kind of makes people around conscious also when you're actually shooting with a big camera in public and all. So we shifted out of that, sold the camera for that matter, and started shooting on this iPhone 14. And now we found something which would make the videos equally as good and if not better. So this is our last purchase, and this is called the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. It is just launched in the market. It's got a 1-inch sensor, so definitely the quality of video is going to be really good. And what I thought was the package is going to look much bigger. It is small. It is. So let's go see how this looks and what is included in it. इनका standard है, हाँ? all their equipment have 2 boxes and few paperworks. Let's open the major box first. What makes DJI really good for you, Suju?
The fit and finish. I think they are probably in the camera world, in the action camera world, they're like Apple.
Yeah.
They're
Not
really
only
like
action camera, even I think even if it comes to drones.
Yeah, drone, all these action stuff.
Yeah.
They're like Apple. They
have
everything. Look at this. So neat.
And
I know what is in that box.
Obviously. Now I think everybody knows what's inside this box, but yeah. But this thing, so neatly packed here. Like it's got felt, it's got smooth packing. Yes, this is going to be our new video recording camera.
So
That's
small.
it.
So small. Does it fit in your pockets?
Yes, it should easily fit in any pocket. It's supposed to have a protective bag, I think, which is in that. But yeah, if I put the only thing in a pocket, it's
hardly.
It's pint sized, man. It's absolutely pint sized. So how do you turn this thing off? Is okay. Let's remove the protective covering. Turn this, and the camera turns on. Language is English, and just do this, and the camera turns off. And this thing is actually on a gimbal. So if I need to start any video, all I need to do is do this and we are ready. Although obviously I need to set it up and all. And slightly aside, our gimbal camera. And this is an external extra charger which
battery
basically
adapter.
Connects to the bottom of this way, and it locks and recharges it, and itself you have a, what do you call,
socket.
Yeah, a socket where you can actually put in your tripod. This makes it a little larger, but still this is in your hand all the time. Without that, you can actually use this for about 2 hours. That's what all the people are saying. A mini pint-sized tripod. The DJI mic. This is the same mic which we are using, but this is the second version of this. Our version. The other box is very simple. It's got only one thing, which is basically your cover for carrying your DJI Pocket, man. This.
Okay, to turn this on, that's about it.
It's fancy, right? Now, actually, we are recording on both of our cameras. The new one, which we're going to use mostly for vlogging. And, dude, I am in love with this new setup. It is tiny, it is niche, it is mind-blowing. Srijan, what words do you have?
So the thing is,
it's
to
stabilized.
shake.
Srijan,
2, 1.
like, he's proper running.
Now let me take this. You hold this.
And now,
and the 14 Pro's camera is actually very stable.
Yes, I know for sure. But it can't beat a proper stabilized gimbal, I guess.
True. So off this. Okay. So the thing is, I'm recording the footage in proper YouTube format, 16:9. And if I want to record a short video, a real video, just have to do this. And that's about it. Right now it's already again 16:9 because I didn't stop the video. But I can record in a short format just by doing that flip.
Although it will not give you a 4K video, it will give you a 3K video for your phones and for smaller format videos. Hey guys, love you. Take care.
So the magnetic clip which we get with the Action 4 camera is actually attached to my helmet, and I drop it in. That's it. That's it. So it's attached now. So to remove it, there's a clip. That's off. I have actually attached the case which we get in the box as well. So this is landscape. So with the case, I can do this.
Nice. And it's steady, right?
It's steady. It doesn't come off. It's still not attached. Yeah.
Nice.
So I can probably take portrait footage like this if people are, more towards that Instagram reel footage. This is a perfect 9:16 ratio. And for main YouTubers, this pretty much. And now when it comes to this Cardo system, so this is a Cardo Padtalk Edge, the top of the line Cardo system which there is in the market right now. So I don't have anything wrong. I don't see anything wrong with Senna. Senna is actually a very beautiful product. The 50S is actually much better than the 30K. So the main reason for jump is we wanted to try something new, and also most of our friends have been upgrading to the Cardo. So we ride in a group, so all of us, we can talk with one device. It is very difficult to pair these two, so it's always good to be in the herd, right?
But you know what? I've heard that the future they're gonna, because again they are competition to each other, and the other competitions are building up in the world. These two want to combine Senna and Cardo so that they can have one combined.
It's a good thing, but as of now, it is very difficult to pair these two. So most of our friends are going with Cardo, and that is the reason why we went with Cardo. Let's say your friends are using the Senna system, probably get the Senna. That's the best. You don't want to be the single one out lone wolf. And also there are other Indian manufacturers. TVS has also come up with a good product. So yeah, be in the herd. So the way this thing attaches,
again, all magnetic. It's become very easy. Since last few years, biking accessories or helmet accessories, vlogging has become quite easy. I could not imagine when we started vlogging 3 years ago that we could do this quality video output from a phone.
Yeah.
But now,
I think people now are getting more into motorcycling. I mean, mainly the Indian market. In Indian market, all these products were not available. Right now, everything is available. So yeah, we are being accessible to a lot of stuff. So just by saying this, this is a big overhaul for us, and we've changed a bunch of stuff on our helmets, and we are very happy with the quality. The products are there with us, but you also let us know the quality of footage which is going to come us in the next future vlogs. Till then, peace out. Bye bye.
bye guys, love you.